How to add a debit card to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a debit card to Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, as you can see here. You will land on the homepage app where you will see options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. On this page, there are various sections that you can use to get access to different features of the app. From those options, make sure you tap this one here named Linked Banks. After that, this page will appear where you will see a list of your bank accounts and cards that have been linked to your Cash App account. You can also add a new debit card by tapping on this option here named Link Debit Card. This will then appear where there are fields that you have to fill in with your debit card information, just like you can see here. So make sure you fill in all these fields with the necessary information. After doing that, go ahead and tap here, and the debit card will then be linked to Cash App account. After that, let me show you how you can withdraw money from your bank to your Cash App account. Come back to the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the bank icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. You will then land on this page here where there are important fields that you can use to transact money. The one we will use is this one here named Add Money. Make sure you tap on it. After that, a menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. The menu preset amounts of money you can use to add to your Cash App account. In case you want to enter a custom amount, all you have to do is tap on these three dots here. After that, this other menu will appear where you can enter the amount you would like to add to your Cash App account. After that, tap here and the money will be added. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to add a debit card to Cash App.